The Gray Ghost. This is the aft cabin. She has new AC, electronic panels. It's got USB outlets. You get your refrigerator in here. This is your aft cabin. It's got two fans, one on each side, reading lights. It has a memory foam type mattress, very comfortable. Small couch on the port side. Lots of storage. There's storage down below here. There's your bathroom. One head. Bathroom shower combo. And it has hot and cold water. Very well laid out. Now we go into the galley. The galley is very large. It's got a fridge freezer combo with more storage for your supplies. Lots of pots and pans, plates. Great oven. 4-burner stove. Deep sink. And then you have your, what I call a pantry. This is your coffee maker. Here's your pantry. Oops, we don't want to go there. That's the garbage I forgot to take out. Electrical panel, and then of course you got your stairs. Coming around the corner. This is a small berth, cruise berth. Here's station. Very large table that opens up. Great overhead. It's been replaced. It's a hard top. Not a hard top, what do they call that? I'll figure it out. But as you can see, none of the windows have been leaking. They're all in very good shape. There's no water stains around them at all. You have a little bar down below here. And there's the tea. Going forward, it might get a little dark up here. We have another cabin, which has its own private bathroom. Then you have your mast. That's got a new mast step put in. It's all new all grip on the mast itself. Another head on the starboard side. And then you got your forward cabin, B-berth. It's got a lot of woodwork in here. As you can see, the wood's in all good shape. Also has AC. There's 3 ACs on board. And every room has your USB, your lights and fans. This is the Gray Ghost. The interior of the Gray Ghost. Selling for $110,000. The cheapest Irwin 52 on the market. And one of the best shape for the price.